knocking on the door. "Excuse me, Miss Johnson, may I come in?"
Come in, please. You're late, David. Class started 20 minutes ago.
I'm really sorry, Miss Johnson. I had a problem this morning."
What kind of problem? This is the third time you're late this week.
"I know, and I'm very sorry. My alarm didn't go off this morning."
Your alarm didn't go off? Did you forget to set it?
"No, I set it last night, but my phone died during the night."
I see. Why didn't your phone charge?
"Well, I forgot to plug it in before I went to sleep."
So you forgot to charge your phone. That's your responsibility, David.
"Yes, you're right. I'm sorry. It won't happen again."
You said that on Monday and on Wednesday, too.
"I know, but this time I really mean it."
What was your excuse on Monday?
I think I said the bus was late.
Yes, the bus was late. And on Wednesday?
Wednesday, I had to help my mother with something.
You had a dentist appointment. That's what you told me.
Oh, right. The dentist. I forgot.
You forgot your own excuse? David, I need to talk to you seriously.
Yes, Miss Johnson. I'm listening.
Please sit down at your desk. We'll talk after I explain the lesson to everyone.
Okay. Thank you for letting me in.
We'll discuss this later. Now please open your textbook to page 45.
The student sits down. After a few minutes, the teacher gives work to the other students and calls David to her desk.
David, come here, please. Bring your chair.
Walking to the teacher's desk with his chair. "Yes, Ms. Johnson?"
Sit down. I want to understand what's really happening.
"What do you mean?"
Why are you late so often? Is there a real problem?
"Well, honestly, I'm just not good at waking up early."
Not good at waking up? David, you're 17 years old.
"I know, but I stay up late studying and then I'm tired in the morning."
What time do you go to sleep?
Usually around midnight, sometimes 1 o'clock.
That's very late. What are you doing until midnight?
Homework, mostly. And sometimes I study for tests.
Every night? Do you really have that much homework?
Well, not every night. Sometimes I watch videos or play games.
Ah, now we're getting to the truth. Videos and games.
I'm sorry. I know I should sleep earlier.
Yes, you should. What time does your school start? 8 o'clock.
But I have to leave home at 7:15.
So what time do you need to wake up?
Around 6:30. That gives me time to shower and eat breakfast.
And do you eat breakfast?
Not always. Sometimes I'm too rushed.
David, breakfast is important, and so is sleep. You need at least 7 or 8 hours.
I know. My mom tells me the same thing.
Your mother is right. Does she know you're arriving late to class?
Not really. I haven't told her.
You haven't told her? She needs to know about this.
Please don't call her. She'll be really angry with me.
I have to call her, David. It's my responsibility as your teacher.
Can I tell her myself, please?
Will you really tell her? Or will you make another excuse?
I'll tell her. I promise. Tonight at dinner.
All right. I'll give you until tomorrow. If you don't tell her, I will call.
Thank you, Miss Johnson. I really will tell her.
Good. Now, let's talk about your grades. Have you seen your last test score?
Yes, it wasn't very good.
You got 55%. That's barely passing.
I know. I studied, but I was really tired during the test.
Because you stayed up late the night before?
Yes, I was trying to study everything at the last minute.
That's not a good strategy. You can't learn everything in one night.
I know. I should study a little bit every day.
Exactly. Why don't you do that?
I always plan to, but then I get distracted.
Distracted by what? Your phone? Games?
Yeah, mostly my phone. I check social media and then an hour passes.
An hour? That's a lot of wasted time.
I know. I need to be more disciplined.
Yes, you do. Let me ask you something. Do you like this class?
Yes, I really do. English is one of my favorite subjects.
Really? Then why aren't you trying harder?
I, I don't know. I guess I'm just lazy sometimes.
You're not lazy, David. You're unfocused. There's a difference.
Unfocused? What does that mean?
It means you have the ability, but you're not using it properly.
Oh, so you think I can do better?
Of course! I've seen your work when you really try. It's very good.
Really? You think my work is good?
Yes, when you focus. Your essay last month was excellent.
Thank you. I spent a lot of time on that essay.
Exactly. That's what I want to see more of. Effort and focus.
I'll try harder. I promise.
I've heard "I promise" several times today. I need to see action, not just words.
You will. Starting today, I'll change my habits.
Good. Let's make a plan together. What time will you go to bed tonight?
10:30?
That's better. And you'll set 2 alarms just in case?
Yes, 2 alarms, one on my phone and one on my clock.
Perfect. And make sure your phone is charging.
I will. I'll put a reminder note on my desk.
Excellent idea. What about your homework? When will you do it?
Right after school? Before dinner?
That's a good time. Your brain is still active from school.
Okay, I'll do homework from 4 to 6 o'clock.
2 hours should be enough. What about studying for tests?
Maybe I can study for 30 minutes every evening?
Yes! That's much better than cramming the night before.
Cramming? What's that word?
Cramming means trying to learn everything at the last minute.
Oh, like what I did for the last test. That's a good word.
Yes, we want to avoid cramming. Regular study is better.
I understand. Can I ask you something?
Of course. What is it?
What if I have questions about homework? Can I email you?
Yes, you can email me, but not at midnight.
No, I won't. Maybe around 7 or 8 in the evening?
That's fine. I check my email in the evenings.
Thank you, Ms. Johnson. You're very understanding.
I want you to succeed, David. That's my job as a teacher.
I appreciate that. Not all teachers are so patient.
Well, I believe in giving students chances, but this is your last chance.
I understand. No more late arrivals, no more excuses.
And better test scores?
Yes, better test scores. I'll prove it to you.
I look forward to seeing your improvement. Now, do you understand today's lesson?
Not completely. I missed the beginning of class.
Right. We're learning about past tense verbs today.
Past tense?
I know a little bit about that. Good. Do you know the past tense of go?
When?
Correct. How about eat?
8?
Very good. You see, you know this material.
I guess I do. I just need to review it more.
Exactly. Here, take this worksheet. It has extra practice exercises.
Thank you. Should I do this tonight?
Yes, please. And bring it back tomorrow for me to check.
I will. I'll do it right after school.
Excellent. I'll also give you a copy of today's notes.
That's very helpful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Is there anything else you need?
No, I think I'm okay now. Can I go back to my desk?
Yes, but first, let me say one more thing.
Okay. What is it?
I'm not angry with you, David. I'm concerned about you.
Concerned?
Yes, I worry that you're not reaching your potential.
My potential? You mean what I'm capable of doing?
Exactly. You're a smart student. You can do great things,
Thank you. That means a lot to me.
but you need to take responsibility for your choices.
I know. Starting now, I'll make better choices.
Good. I believe you can do this. Do you believe it?
Yes, I really do. I feel motivated now.
That's what I want to hear. Keep that motivation.
I will. Thank you for taking time to talk with me.
You're welcome. Remember, I'm here to help you.
I'll remember. Can I go now?
Yes, go back to your desk. And, David,
Yes, Miss Johnson?
I expect to see you on time tomorrow at 8 o'clock sharp.
You will. I'll even arrive 5 minutes early.
That would be wonderful. Now, go and finish your work.
Thank you again. I won't let you down.
I hope not.